Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Saeco aroma. This machine was brought in because the water wasn't getting hot, and so we found that it just needed a thermostat being replaced, and so we did so, and we're gonna rock this machine. Let's give it a test. Great looking shot for this little machine. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off. It's right there, nice and hot. I'll stop it right there. We're gonna do some hot water and some steam. Let's just open up this tap here. Hot water's open. Hit that steam button, close the tap, build up the pressure. And then we'll just wait a minute. Okay, kind of sounds like enough pressure has built up in here, so we're gonna... Oh yeah. Well, that's a good steam. Alright, there you go. Saeco aroma working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.